So we are going to start physical features of India. Physical features of India. The physical features are divided into 6 parts. They are Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the islands. So first we will see importance of Himalayas. Why these Himalayas are important for us. So the Himalayas acts as a barriers protecting us from surrounding countries like Pakistan, China, and some Iran, Iraq, the countries which are in the northern side. And these are also, Himalayas are responsible for tropical and monsoon type of climates. Because of this we are getting monsoon type of climate. Next, these are found for plains are found because of Himalayas. How means the Himalayas are continuous throughout the years. When the water flows throughout the years, it will bring silt and clay. They get deposit together and forms as the plains. Plains are good for the for population and for the construction and for development purpose. Plains are very much suitable compared to hills or some plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Then these plains are very much useful for agriculture purpose also. And next, many rivers are originated from Himalayas itself. Originate here itself, like Indus, Brahmaputra, Ganga. These are the rivers which are originating from the Himalayas, and this protects us from the cold winds which are coming from Central Asian country like Iraq, Iran, all these countries. It is protecting us from the Central Asian countries. Otherwise, in India, it would have been become as a desert. It is acting as a boundary which is stopping us from cold winds, and for that purpose the agriculture is possible. Otherwise it would have become a cold desert. And because of Himalayas like Kulu, Manali, all these places, it is attracting the tourism. Next, the Himalayas are divided into 3 groups. They are called Greater Himalayas, first one, or it is also known as Himadri. If we have seen, it covers a distance of 2400 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. It is covering a distance of 2400 kilometers. So in the next map I will show the difference, this 400 and 150 kilometers. So when we are taking the altitude of this Himadri is 6000 meters. The altitude is measured from mean sea level. We are measuring this one through mean sea level. With the help of mean sea level, we are measuring the altitude height of this Himadri. So it is 6100 meters. And the peninsular plateau, which is formed because of this Himalayas in the water above, it is formed igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is forming igneous and metamorphic rocks. Next, if we see, if this is the map of India, so these are the first layer is called Himadri, second layer is called Lesser Himalayas, and the last one is called Shivaliks. This is called Shivaliks. So if you see, it is stretched from here like this, and it is going like this. So this is the difference. So it is formed something like this. It has formed something like this. So in this is the Jammu and Kashmir part, where the width is more. When you have seen near in Arunachal Pradesh, near the Dibang Valley, at this location, the width is being decreased. First layer is called Himadri. This is called Himadri, and the next one is called Lesser Himalayas. This is called Lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas. And the last one is called, last layer is called Shivaliks. These are called Shivaliks. So you can see here, that is, the first layer is called Greater Himalayas and the next layer is called Shivaliks. This first layer is called, this is called Greater Himalayas, and these are called Lesser Himalayas, and the last one is called Shivaliks. These are called Shivaliks. Now next one is called Himachal, and this is are also called Lesser Himalayas. It is also called as Lesser Himalayas. And the here if we have seen the location of India, the location of India is, it is here 8 degrees 4 minutes, and at the north, at the top of the north, it is 37 degrees 6 minutes, and in the Gujarat sector, near Gujarat sector, it is 68 degrees 7 minutes, and here it is 97 degrees 25 minutes. This is the location of India. This is called location of India. And the distance from here to, is 2933 kilometers, and the distance from here to here, it is 3214 kilometers. This is known as location of India. Next, the second layer is called Himalayas. Second layer is called Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas. It is also known as Himachal. So if we take here the average altitude is from 3700 meters to 4500 meters, and the average width, it is 50 kilometers. The width has been decreasing. If you take Greater Himalayas, the width will be more, and when you come to Lesser Himalayas, the width will be decreasing. So some of the important ranges are here in Lesser Himalayas and Himachal are called Dauladar ranges or Mahabharata ranges are present in these ranges, and many hill stations are present in this Lesser Himalayas. Like we can also find here Kulu, Manali. These are the hill station, and also you can find Mussoorie, Ranikhet. These are the few hill stations which are located at Himachal Pradesh. Here the area is somewhat rugged, and the relief here, the physical, it is rugged surface. Rugged surface is present at this Himachal. Next layer is called Shivaliks. Shivaliks is the last layer below the Lesser Himalayas. The average elevation height is, the average elevation of Shivaliks is 900 to 1100 meters. They extended with a width of 10 to 15. The last one, the Lesser Himalayas, it was 50 kilometers, but here it is decreasing. When you come to Shivaliks, the width will be decreasing compared to Himadri. The famous dunes here are Dehra Dune, Kotli Dune, and Patli Dune. The dune means the low-lying areas are called dunes. The low-lying areas are called dunes. So these are the dunes which are present. Next is the northern plains. These northern plains are found because of the three main rivers. The main three rivers which are forming another place are Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. West part of the northern plains is referred to as Punjab. Next, Indus consists of 5 rivers, that is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Satluj. What it means? The low-lying area is called Doab. The land, the fertile land. It is fertile land. This fertile land is called Doab. Means the low-lying area between two plains is called Doab. Like Punjab. Panch means 5. Panch means 5. So it is called Punjab. Doab means the land between two rivers is called Doab. So in this way they are called Punjab. In way Doabs are found, which are very much fertile. Next, this is the next one is the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau consists of Centralized Sands and Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau consists of rock. This Deccan Plateau is mostly made up of rocks, where in Deccan Plateau no major rivers are formed. It is a rugged surface. Here rugged surface is present, which is good for minerals. Minerals are found in the plateaus like Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. In these plateaus are suitable for, rather than agriculture, they are very much suitable for minerals. Next, the desert. The desert which we are having in the western margin is called of the Aravallis. So India has desert also. So it is located in Aravallis. The deserts are found because of less amount of rainfall, where we are getting very less amount of rainfall, below 150 mm per year. Then because of that it has formed desert, and here the people will be not dependent on agriculture because of less amount of rainfall throughout the year. The people occupation is sheep, camel rearing. These are the people depend on in desert areas, and the Loni is the only river, with larger river, where the people are dependent on this Indian desert. So the population who are staying in desert place is very much less. Next one, the coastal plains. The coastal, we are having two type of coastal plains. The western coast consists of 3 coasts. The western coast consists of 3 coasts. They are Konkan coast, which is located in between Mumbai and Goa, and the third is Canara. It is in Karnataka, and the Malabar coast, which is located in Kerala. So the west side, here we are having this coast, and the east side we are having Utkal coast. It is in West Bengal. Northern Sarkar or Sarkar coast, this is located in AP, and the Coromandel coast, it is located in Tamil Nadu. These are the coasts which we are having. Next, if we see physical features of India, we are seeing physical features of India. Look here, because of Himalayas, 3 Himalayas were flowing from this part. These parts, first one was called Greater, Lesser and Shivaliks. Because of this water, the rivers are coming here. Here the river is coming and settling, because it is bringing silt, clay. Because of these deposits, it is. So this land, northern place, is very much good for fertility, and they have found plains. And this part, we have taken this part. This is Thar desert, where less amount of water. Next, the peninsula. Peninsula is the land which is covered by three sides water. Three sides water is called peninsula. Next, plains we have seen here. So we are having 6 coasts and the island. Island is the area which is covered by 4 sides water called islands. This one. These all are islands. These are called islands. So these are the physical features of India.